Hello dear friends, life coach V.K. Chaudhry giving you a wonderful topic today that let us make some rules of living a life of limitless promise and possibility. Yes, my dear friends, this life is short and we have to live it to the fullest possibility. What we do, we have to be happy every day. We need to have our rich mindset which can give us wonderful feeling. Sometimes why the notion that we create our own reality is only half true, because half heart-centered awareness is key to self-love, and we need to do self-love, then only we are going to love other people unconditionally. Conditional love is not good at all, my dear friends. And then we have to see how we can bridge the gap between limitless potential and limitation. Limitless potential you can get by doing meditation, having gratitudinal attitude, and will to become lifelong learner. We have to leverage our friends, family members, like-minded people so that we can make our boundaries very clear. And we have to overcome the problems with family members, friends, workplace, and society. My dear friends, if you are giving service to the mankind, you are unique. Everybody will love you and God will also bless you. We have to give equal service to ourselves and others so that they can change the prevailing paradigms. We have to see how we can remove bad addictions from our life and distractions. If we remove our bad addictions and distractions from life, then definitely there are possibilities and limitless promise that we can do the best and we can go to the sky. And when you are having more and more curiosity to transform, then definitely you can become something great. My dear friends, if you are doing gratitude every day, having affirmations, doing meditation at fixed interval, frequency and time, then you become unstoppable in this life. My dear friends, you are actor, director, scriptwriter, destiny maker of your life. You want to be in the history books, or you want to be a depleted man with no life, no responsibility. You help to decide, and you are master batsman of your life, my dear friends. Yes, you can do wonders in this life. Only you have to think what you have to do. You have to be fearless. You have to make your goals and then work morning and evening till your goals are not achieved. Forget about parties, forget about functions, just concentrate. And I tell you, I love how I can be best life coach, best motivational speaker, best blogger, best YouTuber, best podcaster and author of more books. My dear friends, these days I have found Clubhouse a wonderful app where already I am having more than 1400 people, friends in my list, and I have to cover it by 10,000 in year 2022. I have started one room to educate to the rural people of India, and then I will see how we can do much better. Giving service to the mankind is really wonderful thing. And I am trying to educate my rural people for English speaking as well as motivational personality, motivational tips to their life so that they can live their life with a force to reckon with. My dear friends, love you all. Go for a wonderful life. Never depress. If you can help anybody, just bring them onto our room. Super duper mindset link is given. Every day there is event at 6 p.m. in the evening for 1 hour. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Love you all and wish that you love this video and subscribe it, like it and share it with your friends and family members so that it can give some value to their life. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Love you all. Thank you. See you.